Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, well, it's available now. It's ready to go, 1,300 miles, and it even comes with a 3-year bumper-to-bumper Flying Doctor warranty. It has an original chassis underneath it, a 1972 chassis with a 1972 title. It's California emissions compliant, and it is ready to go. It's got this beautiful Brittany blue paint, Wimbledon white hardtop, Wimbledon white grille, and a little touch of that white on the tailgate. People just love this with our sport trim package. Now, if we take a look inside, we've got this Castano Italian leather throughout, high back seats, San Felipe roll bar, and the wool carpet front to back. Nice and quiet, great vehicle, beautiful price point, and this is available now. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining. Let's take a ride together.